Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to text box in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add border to a text box in this document. At first I have to draw a text box. Select this type tool and draw your text box. Now you can see here are appearance option. Now I simply just click this stroke option and find a stroke color to RGB cyan. RGB cyan. Then I increase the stroke PT. Now increase 1 to 5. Then press enter. Now click this select tool and click outside of this text box. Now you can see I add border to a text box in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.